All right, moving on to how to draw the radical mechanisms. These are patterns that you're going to see, right? You don't have to memorize these necessarily. Just like if you remember when we learned about nucleophilic attack, loss of living group, rearrangement, and proton transfer. Okay, you don't have to memorize the name, but you be familiar with those because those are going to pop up in any reaction, right? First one, so you don't have to know it is called homolytic cleavage, but if you look at right here, so we try to break this bond. One electron is going to go to the left bromine, the other electron is going to go to the right bromine. So look like that, right? So we use the fishhook arrow to show the process. Okay. Now the second one is called clubbing, which means two radical couple or form bond together. Well, to form bond, we're gonna draw an arrow that shows that these two electrons are form bond, like get together, look like that. All right, and you should get a bromine molecule. The next one, so addition to a pi bond. So so basically, this chlorine gonna go from bond with this carbon right here. So we use these two arrows to show, and so this process involves breaking this pi bond. So one electron go from bond with chlorine, the other electron gonna stay on the carbon. Show you like that, right? So you're gonna get the radical in the middle here. Now this one elimination, so look like a beta elimination, but use a single electron. We're gonna form a double bond right here, and chlorine gonna come out and come out right there. So we break the sigma bond there. Okay. Next one is hydrogen abstraction. All right. So this lone pair gonna form bond with this hydrogen, and to form bond, of course, you guys know, so two electrons. One's gonna come from chlorine, the other one gonna come from hydrogen. And there are two electrons here. One already out with the hydrogen, the other gonna stay on the carbon, like that. All right, the last one, halogen abstraction. So bromine attack another halogen, just like the hydrogen abstraction, same thing there, and then break this bond right there. They might be familiar, like a different name or familiar name, but they all do the same thing. We use single electron. We use fishhook arrow to represent a single electron transfer. Okay. Again, you don't have to memorize this, but be familiar with. You're gonna see any of this. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about the real reaction. So halogenation on the next.